What we got here today is a 50-inch polished brass Casablanca Ventura ceiling fan. This is a 30-speed fan, electrically reversible. The fan dates sometime around 1999. It's powered with the XLP 2000 motor. Blades are high gloss snow white. Pretty cool fan here to say the least. I've always wanted to find a Ventura, and this fan here actually came to me for free along with 6 other Casablanca fans. The Panama that you see in the background there is another fan that came from that deal as well. Pretty much they all are comboed the same polished brass with white blades. I got this Ventura, 2 Panama 2s, and 4 Concentras out of the deal, which I'll be videotaping here soon. But we'll mainly focus on the Ventura here. We'll go ahead and start the light up. The light is a K4S2 light. The glass is not original. The fan actually had a set of, high-end Vion hand-blown glass. But unfortunately, one of the glasses were broke when I got the fan, so I have to only have 3 out of the 4. So let's go and start it up. Start up on low. There's either something in the motor or something with the bearings causes a scraping sound, which I have to remedy. We'll take it up to medium. And high. Yeah, scraping sounds quite pronounced. So I'm not really too sure what it is. We'll have to look into it. Well, but otherwise, the fan runs real smooth. Probably doing around 190 RPM, 185, somewhere in that ballpark. But like most Casablancas, has a 14-degree blade pitch, so good air mover. Then we'll go and watch it coast. And that's all I got for this one. So this was the 50-inch polished brass Casablanca Ventura ceiling fan from 1999. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll be seeing you next time.